Hi children, how are you? I hope you are all safe. I am Madhavi, your biology teacher from BRGS. So today lesson is natural resources. This is 8th standard biology. Let's get into it. So here you can see some of the resources which we can obtain in the nature. So air, plastics, natural gas, coal, refrigerator, soil. So these are all the resources which we can attain in this universe. So in the resources there are two types, natural resources and man-made resources. So you can easily figure it out. The natural resources, air, water, soil, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and man-made resources are plastic, synthetic fiber, medicine. So these are all the man-made resources. So natural resources are air, water, soil. So these are all. What is the difference? You can make it out. Means the difference is in the natural resources. Again, there are two types, inexhaustible and exhaustible. So inexhaustible means which cannot be used up completely. Means exhaust means what? When you're getting more tired and you say that I'm so exhaustible, means that I'm completely exhausted. You can use such words. Means here exhaustible means completely used up. So inexhaustible means which can't be used up completely. Exhaustible means which can be used up completely. So we will see with the examples. See here. So in the natural resources there are two types, inexhaustible and exhaustible. So inexhaustible example, air, sunlight, water. Exhaustible example means wildlife, coal, minerals, petroleum, natural gas. So here if you see exhaustible things here, so actually in this chapter you are going to learn about more about exhaustible resources. So here you can see wildlife, coal, minerals, petroleum, natural gas. So these are all used up things. We can used up completely. So that is the reason these are all exhaustible resources. See, this is about how fossil fuels are formed. The dead and decay matters of plants and animals, the surface of the earth, after period of a time, it buried into earth and covered by the layers of the soil. See, like this. And what happens after period of time, it become like fossil fuel because of high temperature and high pressure. So it turned into those dead and decay matters of plants and animals turned into fossil fuels. So this is the definition of fossil fuel. The remains of the prehistoric plants and animals buried under the earth millions of years ago. So examples. So from those dead and decay matters, we can get these things, coal, petroleum, natural gases, things we can get from fossil fuels. And this is the time for practice. You have to sort this following. Here some of the natural resources given. So in this you have to figure it out what are the inexhaustible and what are the exhaustible things here. So let's find it out. See, these are the inexhaustible: sunlight, air, water. Okay, exhaustible means coal, diesel, CNG, forest. So inexhaustible means which can't be used up completely. Exhaustible can be used up completely. So this is the difference between these two. And fossil fuel are formed by, yes, I hope you can answer for this. Very good. Dead plants and animals. Very good. So thank you so much, children. Have a great day.